Hey everybody, I'm Ross. This is Jamie from Tait Real Estate, Realty Executives in Saskatoon. Welcome to another edition of Thirsty Thursday. Jamie?
Thank you.
You're welcome. What are we making?
Today we're making the steel bottom.
Steel bottom.
2 ingredients, rum and beer. So those of you who like your beer turbocharged. Turbocharged. So you're gonna do 1 ounce of rum.
Okay.
Bacardi 151, Bacardi 8, pretty much just whatever you have laying around.
So the steel bottom part, it's a Caribbean drink where the origin is from. We're using Modelo, which we could be using a Red Stripe. Anything from the Caribbean is fine. Carib is a good beer. Modelo we like. And Jamie is going to mix that.
Gonna need another one.
Okay. Cute. Oh, that's good for me. That's good. And we're going to top that off.
I'm gonna give that one a little stir.
A little stir. Okay. Ooh, don't want to foam up your drink too much.
Here, you take that one.
Okay. And the true recipe is made with what kind of rum?
Bacardi 151. So that'll
Get
really turbocharged.
And we didn't want to go completely turbocharged.
Not quite.
Moderately turbocharged.
So
The steel bottom. Let's give this a shot. We've drank some hooch before, but this, we'll give it a go. Cheers.
I mean,
It's just mostly beer. It tastes like beer with rum in it.
yeah, it just needed a lot less beer.
So if you really need a turbocharge, this would be the way to go. But I don't think this is a sipper around a campfire or...
No.
No. This would be more like a tailgater.
Get the job done, but
Yeah.
it's not extra flavor.
It's just beer with rum.
Actually, it's not bad.
I'm gonna enjoy it.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.